Guys, here's a video on how to be great at eating pussy with a diagram, okay? Hopefully you can see it well. My handwriting and my drawing is definitely not the best, as you can tell, but I hope this helps you out, okay? Here is my diagram so you can see, and it tells you basically if you're looking at the pussy from the front, where the clit is, where the lips are, and where the opening is. It also points an arrow where your mouth should be on the clit, and where your fingers should go in the hole. Okay, and here is a little diagram, what it looks like from behind. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out. It shows where the butt is, where your fingers go, where your mouth goes, the clit, the hole, butthole. So lastly, I have a little 6-step diagram right here. What that's going to tell you, the first step is clip your fingernails. Okay, I know that's evidently from behind, so let's do it like this. All right. So clip fingernails is the first step that you want to take. The second step is to tease at first, licking the thighs. The inner thighs is a great way. Third step, start and stop. Don't go into it. If you start and stop, it'll please her more. Fourth step, 2 fingers inside in a hook motion. I showed you that in my first video. Fifth is suck the clit with your mouth, and 6 is lick the clit with your tongue. Do all those, guys, and that will help you be a master at eating pussy. I promise your girl will thank you and thank me. Please subscribe to my channel. Put more videos like this to help you guys out. Hope this helps you.